So what are the benefits of using lavender essential oil in a bath? Why would I ever want to bathe in lavender? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 4 lavender oil bath benefits coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out show notes and links in the description below where I'll be sharing some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump into the video. So the first benefit of using lavender essential oil in your bath is for relaxation. So who wouldn't feel more relaxed while breathing in lavender during your bath time, right? So the second benefit is to soothe muscle soreness. So after working out or doing something physical that you're not used to doing, lavender is superb for helping to soothe those sore, tired muscles. The third benefit, lavender is a great expectorant. So using it in your bath will really help to relieve your airways from the occasional cough. And the fourth benefit of using lavender essential oil in your bath is for lessening anxious feelings and helping you to feel calmer. And a special bonus tip for you, when it comes to using lavender essential oil in your bath, instead of just dripping the lavender oil into your bath water, drip a few drops into some Epsom salt and then mix the salt into your bath water. This will make sure that the oil is well dispersed into the water versus just floating on top. This way you can get the best benefits of using lavender in your bath. Alright, I hope you got great value out of this video and that you will greatly enjoy the awesome benefits of using lavender in your bath. And actually, if you're brand new to essential oils and would like to try out one of my favorite oils, go to theoilcoach.net or check out the link in the description below where you can get one of my favorite essential oils for free. All you'll have to do is pay the small shipping and handling fee and we'll get that shipped right out to you. So question of the day, what is your favorite benefit of lavender essential oil? Let me know in the comment sections below. So thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't yet. And if you want to check out other videos in my lavender tips series, just click or tap the screen right there. And for another video from the Oil Coach, click or tap the screen right there. Until next time, here at the Oil Coach, we're bringing you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So take care and we will talk soon.